Happy birthday, Tarana!
So what we did is we went around asking the Josh crew that in case they had to say something about you, so Tarana in like 30 seconds.
So here's the thing, given that this is Tarana that we're talking about, and there's so much to be said about Tarana, 30 seconds thoda upar niche ho sakta hai, but this is what people had to say about Tarana from their heart.
Hi, this is Deepti and I host the show called Music and More on Josh 97.8. And happy birthday, Tarana! Well, Tarana and me, we have two things in common. One is Josh 97.8 of course, and Shamak Davar. So Tarana और मेरी जो dancing skills है, ये हमने सीखी है Shamak Davar's Institute of Performing Arts से. And presenting Shamak Davar himself.
Happy birthday, Tarana. I love you. God bless you.
Hi, I'm Velda from The Scoop, and the things that I remember about Tarana. Early morning when I come to the studio, this is Tarana when Jaggu is stealing her breakfast. Jaggu! Then when Jaggu is eating his own breakfast but not coming to the mic, Jaggu! Then when she wants some calm from Jaggu, Tarana goes, Jaggu, Jaggu. Then when Jaggu talks about things that happen in the toilet, Jaggu! And when Jaggu is irritating the out of Tarana, it goes, Jaggu, stop it, yeah. That's all that I hear all the time in the studios of Josh 97.8. This is just wishing our favorite, our fabulous Tarana a very happy birthday. Happy birthday!
Hi, I'm Maha. I do the news on Josh 97.8 and I'm with Tarana and Jaggu through the breakfast show. Now, first of all, happy birthday, Tarana! And when I think of Tarana, these are the couple of shots that come to my head quickly. First one being, of course, Maha, chai. और महा जल्दी से चाय बना कर लेकर आओ और महा मशीन में से चाय ले आओ. That's my regular technique. And then there's the correcting Tarana who goes, it's not energy, it's energy. It's not Everton, it's Everton. Everton. And then last but not the least, and just about the most scariest side of her is the hyper Tarana, which was just about a few minutes ago. Went something like this. So this Maha is really sick. Voice is not coming out, and she insists on coming to her. I mean, throughout the bulletin, she's been all. And I said, "Can you talk loud, please?" No. And then she still insists on coming to her. Please tell her not to come to her. But forever chai demanding, forever pronunciation correcting, perky, hyper, whatever form of Tarana there is, it's always such a pleasure to work with her. She's just about the most endearing person you would have ever met.
Hi, I'm Zainab. You probably have heard me with Jaggu and Tarana every single morning. Now, as you know, Tarana is not known to be a quiet person. But the very few moments that she's quiet, she looks exactly like that every single morning in the studios. Now, apart from just being a extremely loud, excited, over-the-top, intelligent person, I must say she has one of the most purest hearts I've ever found in anyone. She's one of the sweetest people. I can go on and on and on saying lovely things about her, or I can do one better. I'm going to sing for her. So, even better. Chalo, let me do this in Hindi, okay? बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम hello? Who put up the lights? I can sing. Tarana and me sing the same way.
कभी खुशी कभी गम ना जुदा होंगे हम, कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Tarana is Jaya Bachchan of Josh 97.8. हम रोज सुबह आते हैं, उनके पैर छूते हैं, उम्र का लिहाज करते हैं, of course. Tarana MDH वाले अंकल से 2-3 साल ही छोटी है. गांधी जी अभी तक उनसे 1 रुपया मांगते हैं, उन्होंने उस समय उधार लिया था उनसे. Tarana, I wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. Please ख्याल रखिएगा अपना. ठंड बहुत हो रही है, इस उम्र में ठंड बहुत लगती होगी. And we love you. आशीर्वाद.
On Tarana's birthday, how do I explain to you the wonder that is Tarana? Now, I've known her for almost a decade and a half. We've been friends and we've been colleagues for almost that long. Now, here's the thing. I know that you would therefore assume that I've known her since the age of 5, but that's not true. Tarana is, as a matter of fact, a little older than 20. Just a little bit. But in that time, she has been with me through thick and thin, through my good times and through my bad times. She's held my hand. She's been there. She's always been part of my life. Now, the thing with Tarana is that she is a tantrum thrower. There is violence, there is gore, there is drama. A lot of it is directed in my direction. But the beauty of that is that I know for a fact that she does that because she knows that I can be a better person more than I think of myself. And for that, Tarana, I completely love you. In life, you have friends that you know. And there are people that add value to your life. Tarana is very, very high up on that list. Considerable value makes me a better person. Tarana, on your birthday, I love you.